See this design over here? Okay, see the angle of this? This design on the roulette will connect, okay, to 10 and 13, 23, and 8 and 11, 19 equals to 42. But what reality is this design? Would you like to see what the design does? It shows you, okay, you see the line here? It shows you this angle and this angle, okay, making, look what's on the screen. Look at the right angled triangles. Because of when they take out the center, this is what this creates. It's no longer square. We have a point in here. It's made up of sections. So when we come down here, I'm going to show you this design over here. And we're going to show you that this center does not exist. It is not even here. We have the upper part, the hexagon, 6. We have the upper part and the lower part. When we put this section in over here, okay, the only way to build them is in hexagons. 1, 2, 3 hexagons. In between the hexagons becomes space and space. You cover up that space, you make a complete circle. It's from two sides. You cannot get to the other side unless you go all the way around. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 7 of them, 2, 3, 2, in order to create 2 clocks. You remember the digital clock? Dot, dot here, dot, dot here. And you have the time here, you have the time here, and you have the time here. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's actually 2 diamonds, and this is what the ship looks like. Because this is your hexagon. Don't look at what we can do on the inside. Look at the size on the outside. From whatever you build within, it is the shape that you need. The other numbers I want to show you, okay, in the regular is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But when you connect them together, remember the way the swastika is? Okay, see the way the swastika is? This one will go all the way in and down this way. This one will go all the way in and up this way. This one goes all the way in. See the way they all come back? They all go down. Okay, they will all come across also. Across is the same thing. This is only showing you the center of one area. So you have 1, 5, 9, and up to 1, 4, 1, 5, 9, 6. 4, 1, 5, 9, 6. Here, you will have 3, 6, 5, 4, 7. 365 days, 0.47. This is the star that divides everything, okay? It divides in between here, this top over here. It divides this one over here, and this one over here. It shows you this. It's dividing. At the same time, okay, if it's dividing, the question is, where is the halfway point, right? Where is the halfway point? It's right over here, between here and here. It's going halfway through the center of both. Halfway through the center of both, showing that it is sharing. Okay, we're going to go on to the next one now. Something small, okay? Here, okay, is an area. Here's the center, here's on the outside. Because we split the center area is split like this. We must connect 2 sides. We connect 2 sides with a barrier. We connect this side and this side by putting this in between. Okay? We connect this side and this side with putting something in between. Okay? Anytime you see these 2 letters together, it says Angel of Gold of Mars. 0 stands for Mars. It means 1/4. When it comes with the R, it is also an ER and an AR. But there is an E inside the O. So you do not need the E or the A creating the O. Therefore, you only need the, what do you need? AEIO. You. Your gold. So this man connects with this X. And then there's another X in here, which connects to this part here and this part here. That's where they end. Here's the open part of the X. You don't see it. We don't see everything in its design. Do you see this? This goes all the way through. This is the heart section. You see it's from one side and it comes out. Is this where the kidney or liver is? The man is on the angle. Here's an arm over here. Here's an arm in here. Here's his legs over here. He's bow-legged. There's a passage over here. There's another one of these chalices that run through between your legs. And there's another one that runs in your head. It's the way the system works. Remember, in order to have a balance here, it has the left and the right. In order to have the balance here, it has the heart. In order to have the balance here, it goes out to the left and right, and these are arms, the same way we can see them. We're going to go back. So now to encompass the 7 area over here, and to encompass it, I must put 3 of them up on top. I must put 3 of these Down at the bottom, I will have 3, 6, 9. I will have 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. But then we have to now enclose this. So we're going to do it together. We're going to enclose this and show you exactly what I'm saying on paper. We have one here. We have one here. Whoop, did I do that right? No, we didn't. It's this way. We have one here, and then 2, 1, down. Did I do that right? Did I go too far out? 1, 2, and then we move it over, right? Here, we build one here, one here, one here. And then because of over here, I must build one over here, okay? Boom, okay? And then I must build one on this side. Boom, so we built the one here, we built one here. Now we have to build the same thing down here. I'm building one over here, and I'm going to build one over here, and then we're going to go, we're closing it in, okay? We must close it in. We close it in, okay? We close them in. We close it in, we close it in, we close it in. We didn't close in here yet. 1, 2, down, down, 2 over, and close it in. So if you're ever thinking that you saw a spaceship, because you did see a spaceship, because that's what they all designed to, okay? So let's bring it down over here and then up, out here. So now we've surrounded the whole thing. We've created, the main one is right over here. Now we must surround everything, and everything must have its own home. So this one must have this one here. Okay, this might be a balance where it moves. This can close all the way down. This can close all the way up. These two will come together. These two will come together. But let's count what it took to make this. To cover the original one, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 covers the first one. Now to cover the 6 that covers the first one, 1 and 6, we now need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoop. Okay, now I don't know if I need this one. Yeah, this is one because this one created this one, right? So we have 3, and then we have 2, then we have 2, then we have 2, then we have 3. 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 6, 3. 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, or 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 7 and 5, 12, 7 and 5, 12, 57, 75 is the star-based system. Now, if we want to bring this system and completely close it in, okay, what we have to do is we have to design 1, 2, okay, and then, excuse me, over here, and then we will have to close this one in. Okay, and this is the way it's going to end, with the diamond on the top. And then we'll do the same thing down here. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, like in bowling. 1, 2, 3, 4 will equal 10. Then we'll have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2 equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Okay, 10 on the other side, 10 on this side, 5 in the center, 5 pin, 10 pin. 5, 10, 20, 25, and this is the star base, and they're all really designed the same way. This is the way they are put together. Okay, remember, 45 degrees down or 135, reaching 145 down the angle because it cuts across. 45 down on the third level equals 1.35 by 45. 1.35 and 45 means I went 45 down, I went 3 levels. And as you're going down on 45, that means you're stretching out. If you stretch out every level you stretch out 1 level, okay, you have doubled already the size. You have to stretch out 1 level here, 2 levels here, 3 levels here. It'll equal to the size of the ship. So you have 1 here, and then you have 1 over here. I'm just going to show you how this diamond sits on top. So you have this over here. I like to call this the big elephant or the big ears. You know, you can call it whatever you want. So this is the way this is made. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus, just to cover in 1, then to cover from within 1, okay, the star. So a 6 and 1 is 7. 7, take out 7 from the totality, okay, of 25 equals to 18 and 7, R and G, the gateway. Angel resident, GEAR, the gear, wearing the gear. Don't forget, took a bunch of cells to create what? What do we need in order to, anyways, let's not get into that, Raphael. Since 6 and 6 is equal, the minute we share 1, it becomes 5 and 7. I get one of yours, you get one of mine, we become 5 and 7, 7, 5. 6 and 6, 6 plus 3, 6 minus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 and 9 is 12, 8 and 4 is 12, 7 and 5 is 12. How it happened in every area, the structure of the gene has to be the same thing. Okay, the same, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, thank you for watching.